Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X194A. Only 16,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold the Silverado brand new, Cajun Red in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Silverado seats 6, cloth interior. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Custom fit floor liners throughout for easy cleaning. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. The Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, lower the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Large, easy to read gauge. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, automatic transmission, the manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger, leaving more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials and under the hood. The Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles per gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.